Tired of guessing what the market will do next? Stop trying to predict the future, and let the future help you. Most people lose money because they rely on emotion, not data. They buy high, sell low, and fall for every market myth. What if you had an AI partner to analyze thousands of data points in seconds? It's not science fiction. AI tools can now spot trends, manage portfolios, and automate your financial decisions. Think of it as your personal Wall Street analyst, without the high fees. This isn't about getting rich quick, it's about making smarter, data-driven choices. It's about reducing risk and building wealth systematically, so you can spend less time worrying and more time living. Want to learn which top AI finance tools you should be using? Comment AI finance below, and I'll send you a free guide. Follow for more smart money tips.